Tattu's World Drone Market channel, and today I'm introducing the Tattu Lipo 10000mAh. All Tattu Lipos are packed with vibration-proof and fire-proof material, and our luxury battery box ensuring you get your battery in perfect condition. An automatic procedure and computer system battery cell matching process ensures the battery's stability and quality, different from the original Gen's A series. Tattu is specialized for the UAV and UAS market with their industrial quality. The battery adopts stable automatic stacking technology, achieving a maximum single-cell battery capacity of 10,000 mAh. The battery dimensions are 176 by 66 by 58 millimeters, and the weight is 1,350 grams. Providing a small size but large capacity, continuously providing stable voltage. The maximum output power is 60C and the continuous discharge rate is 30C. The white plug is the battery balancer and the connector type is XT90. The yellow plug is the XT90 plug, and the battery only takes up a small space on the drone, making it suitable for aerial photography scenarios. Finally, the instructions for using the battery are included in the box. That's all for the unboxing and sharing of the Tattu battery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us to watch more exciting videos.